Hello, this is Evan Rogers and I'm coming at you with another Evan's Easy Japanese. Today's lesson is te kuru. There is more than one te kuru, and today we're learning about the one that means come to verb. However, just to be specific, this is not as in tabe ni kuru or something like that. This is te kuru, as in not that you have come in order to do something. This is that you have come to enjoy something. Over time, you have gradually come to understand Japanese and things of that nature. Come to understand, come to like, come to hate, etc., etc., etc. That is what we're talking about today. Te kuru. Let's go! Let's look at this pattern. Basically, we have a te form of a verb plus kuru. And I forgot to mention in the intro, but also there's a pattern that is the te form of the verb with iku at the end. Iku, in case you've forgotten because you're a bozo, is basically the opposite of kuru. To come is kuru and to go is iku. Knowing that much at least is going to help you identify the difference. Okay? The verb. This this te form verb. Generally this verb is usually intransitive. What does that mean, Evan? It basically means a verb that doesn't really require action. For example, naru. Nobody becomes something. Becoming something generally just happens. I became awesome. Wakaru. Wakaru, you don't really understand. You're not like you're understanding something. There's a thing to understand. Understand it. No, that doesn't really happen. At least I hope it doesn't. That'd be very strange. Wakaru, understanding is more of a thing that, just happens. Komu. This is to become crowded, to get crowded. Things become crowded. If you've ever been to Japan and you're at the train station, yeah, Tokyo, train station, crowded. Way, mega, ultra crowded. Packed in like sardines crowded. Hareru, this means to, get sunny. And, once again, it's not like the universe is like, sunny, and they do sunny. It's not like you do sunny. Sunny just sort of happens. Those are your intransitive verbs. Many more verbs like this. Hopefully there'll be a lesson, eventually, where I explain intransitive and transitive verbs. Now let's talk about the kuru part. The kuru part is basically, it means that it's a gradual change that's culminating to this point in time. It might still be happening. In fact, it might continue into the future. However, it has been happening for quite some time and it is getting to be that way. So, natte kimashita, natte kuru, natte kimashita. That generally means it has come to be this way. It has come to become that way. Almost redundant in English. Wakatte kimashita. It's that I think I got it. I've come to understand what you're talking about. Konde kimashita. Whoo doggies, it has come to be crowded here at this Tokyo eki. Harete kimashita. Harete kimashita. It has come to be sunny, your wedding. Oh, I hope it gets sunny. Harete kimashita. It has come to be sunny and you're gonna have your wedding outside. Or whatever. Just a few examples. If we change to iku, it generally translates to it will be a gradual change from this time point. Can you still see me? I don't know if I'm off camera yet. Ooh. Sorry. Anyway, gradual change from this point in time. Time generally goes forward. I don't know what kind of bizarre universe you're living in. But generally, when something's going to change from this time point, we're talking about the future. So, te iku generally means it will come to be that way in the future. So from this point on, it will gradually change to be whatever the heck it is we're talking about. Natteiku. It will become that way, hopefully, or we expect. Wakatteiku. I'm gonna gradually understand that. Kondeiku. It will gradually become crowded in the Tokyo station. Like, let's say you're standing at the Tokyo station with your fellow gaijin, and you're sitting there, I don't know, because gaijin all smoke, and you have nothing better to do. And you're sitting there at, Friday, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It gets crowded, but wait until it's about 8 o'clock. So, 6時から kondeiku. It will get crowded from 6 o'clock. Hareteiku. It's gonna get sunny from now on, according to the Tenki Yoho, the what do they call that in English? The weather report. It's always wrong. All right. And in case you're a visual learner, here's maybe just a little graph that you might be able to think about in order to help you learn. If we talk about this being now, if we use tekuru, it means the change happened in the past and it's gradually changing up until this point. It could go into the future, but just for the sake of an easy to understand graph, I just drew it to stop at the now time. And then if we use iku, it might be, we're talking about the change happening from now. So here's the way it is and it gradually changes into the future. Okay, I just hope that helps out a little bit. Word. Have yourself a great day, and I hope you had a holly jolly beating Michigan.